If you've ever wondered what really happens inside software testing, not the theory, but the messy, high-stakes, real-world side, you're in the right place. I'm David Oxley, and after more than 25 years leading QA and test teams across government, finance, and large-scale digital platforms, I created Inside STLC to share what actually works. I've led testing on systems that move billions of pounds in payroll, validate national-scale data platforms, and keep citizens' information secure. My focus has always been practical QA, risk-based testing, security controls, and data assurance. Not just ticking boxes, but proving software is trustworthy. And I've seen what works and what fails, and when projects try to rush quality. On this channel, you'll get tutorials, tool walkthroughs, and honest insights into how real QA is done, from manual and automation testing to performance and security validation. I'll show you how to write test cases that survive audits, how to integrate QA into DevOps pipelines, and how to turn testing into a career that lasts. Whether you're new to testing or leading a team, these videos will help you understand not just the how, but the why behind great quality assurance. The testing world is changing fast. AI, automation, security, compliance, and Inside STLC is where we keep up together. So if you want to be a tester, or you want to test smarter, strengthen your career, or even build your own QA consultancy, subscribe now and join the community. New videos every week, practical lessons, real stories, and tools that keep projects running and data secure. Welcome to Inside STLC, the real world of software testing.